We're going to look now at the situation where we factor what we call a perfect square trinomial. It has a special formula we have to use and understand, so let's read together our helpful hint. Remember the perfect square trinomial formula. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals the parentheses a minus b, that parentheses squared. You must be able to verify two things to determine if you can use this formula. First, the numerical values in the first term and the last term must be perfect squares, and the middle term must equal twice the product of the values whose squares are the first and the last terms. Now let's see how we can use this perfect square trinomial formula that we discussed in our helpful hint. Now the formula starts with a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, and the answer turns out to be the quantity a minus b squared. There are some special things we have to look for. Is the first number a perfect square? 9, that is. Is the last number a perfect square? 25, that is. So we ask ourselves, what was squared to get 9a squared? We know if we multiplied 3a times 3a, we'd get 9a squared. The number here is 25. We know that 5 times 5 is 25, but the middle sign is negative. So we need 3a minus 5. Now there's an important thing we have to check out. Is the middle term correct? Is it true that if we do minus 2 times a times b, that we're going to get negative 30a. This requires us to check minus 2 times the part that is a, which is 3a, times this part b. We have a minus b. What is the b? It is 5. So we multiply minus 2 times 3a, that's minus 6a, minus 6a times 5 is minus 30a. Sure enough, it is the correct answer. So we have, for an answer to our problem, 3a minus 5 squared.